Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the scene. Mount the camera on a stable tripod and compose your frame. Once stable, switch to manual exposure and white balance so brightness and color stay identical across frames. Now enable focus bracketing on the camera. Choose a reasonable number of shots and a moderate focus step to cover depth. Make sure autofocus point or manual micro adjustment targets the nearest focus plane. Take a quick single test bracket to verify range before proceeding. With settings confirmed, position your initial focus at the closest subject plane you want sharp. Once done, trigger the bracket using the camera's built-in sequence or an external intervalometer to capture all steps without touching the body. Use a remote release or electronic shutter to prevent vibration. As frames are recorded, review magnified previews to ensure focus progresses through the scene. If you see gaps, areas still soft, stop and increase the focus increment or number of frames, then repeat the sequence. After capture, import the bracketed files into focus stacking software and align the images before merging to preserve sharpness across depth. Once merged, inspect edges and transitions. Use manual masking or clone tools to fix minor artifacts. If you encounter ghosting or missed areas, reshoot with smaller focus increments or add more frames to fill gaps. Finally, save a high-resolution master and a flattened copy for sharing. Keep the originals in case you need to reprocess.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.